With the St. Andrew Technical High School head coach, Phillip Williams. First of all, congrats on making it to the finals again. How does it feel to win this game?
First of all, thank you. I mean, we are very overjoyed in terms of winning this game. We had planned to go all the way, and KC was an obstacle in our way. A very tough one, if you ask me. They have a very talented bunch of guys led by Whisper, who is very difficult to contain, as you saw today. But I mean, we knew that for us to win this KC team, we have to outscore them, and that is what we did today.
All right, coach. Speak to me about the tactics. How did you prepare for this game, and what did you try to do against Kingston College today?
Without giving anything much away, I mean, the tactics isn't anything that is difficult or a secret. We have to block the passing lane, we have to track the runners, we have to cut off the supplies for the danger man, and that is what we did today.
All right, coach. Speak to me about a few of your players. I'm speaking about SATCHWELL, SATCHWELL. We think one of the best players in the Manning Cup. What does he offer to your team, and how good is this player?
Well, he's very good, as you can see. We can depend on him to turn a game for us, and he has been doing that every game. And he's one of the best players right now in the league. There are many, as you know. KC team is filled with a lot of them, and he's our X factor, and he keep on delivering for us.
All right, another player, the skipper on the day, Xavier Gooden. What does he offer to your team? You know, he's a cool head, wins his tackles, a solid player. Speak to me about him.
He's very aggressive. I mean, he's the glue that binds the defensive unit together. He was a part of the under-16 championship team, and he took his quality from there, and I mean, he's now represented at the under-19 level, and he's doing a good job keeping the defensive line together and strong.
Speak to me about your goalkeeper, Williams. You know, he doesn't start every game. You went with him today. What went into that decision? And speak to me about his performance in today's game.
Correction. Jai Williams keep almost all of our games. He's another member of the under-16 championship team, and he's diminutive, small in size, yeah, but he's very agile and he reads the game very well. And we are very happy when he's between the sticks.
All right, coach. Into the finals. You know, this is not unusual territory for St. Andrew Technical High School. Do you think you guys can go all the way this year, and what make that assertion?
The belief of us thinking that we can go all the way comes from our training, and we have all confidence in what we are doing there at St. Andrew Technical and what we have done in the summer to prepare ourselves to go all the way. So we are very confident. JC is a very good team, and it's about the boys delivering on the day that will make the difference.
Coach, we didn't get to speak to you before this game, but I want to hear it from you. Send a message to the stats supporters. Tell them something. Give them some confidence for the rest of the campaign, Champions Cup and the Manning Cup finals.
It's outside of my character to be boosting the crowd, but I mean, what we are doing, they see what we are doing, and they acknowledge what we are doing, as you could have heard today. And I mean, we just need to continue doing what we're doing, and they will have something to celebrate soon. As you can see, our program has been growing from strength to strength since 2017, and the supporters, they know that what is going on, and they appreciate what is going on, and it's just a matter of time before we deliver what they so desire, which is a title.
All right, good. Congrats again, and thank you for talking to us.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.